Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we help you become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. So what we're going to do today is install a rear-facing child's car seat. Now, what we're going to do, this is a Dorel car seat, and it can be either front facing or rear facing. Now when you look at the bottom, you'll see, or turn it on its side, you've got two places that you can put these straps. This is for front facing and this is for rear facing. So what we're going to do is we want to make sure that where these two clips go through, that this adjustment here is going to be on the outside, so it makes it easier to adjust. So what we're going to do is take this, pull it through, and so now we've got our two clips. Now, one thing you can do here, if you have a minivan or an SUV, to make this easier to put in and to help keep it tighter, is you want to lean the seat back. If you are in a sedan and you can't lean the back seat back, it's okay. Principles are still the same here, but this is just kind of a little extra thing. So you lean the seat back, and now we want this on this side. So we're going to hook this side over here first. So these are our two anchor clips. Now, you'll notice one of them has an adjustment on it. We want to make sure that's facing out, so that's going to be facing this way. So when we have to adjust it to tighten it, it's not hard to get to. Now, you'll see that there are two holes here. Putting it through here is for a front facing, and then putting it through here is for the rear facing. And of course, your instructions will tell you this. So we want to have this on the outside. So that's going to be this side here. So I'm going to put this clip through. Now we got both clips. Now I'm going to install this side first. Get it to where you can see it here. So, I can feel directly below this button, here's my anchor. So I'm going to push the clip down, put it under like this, and you can hear it click. And so it's in there. So now we're going to do the other side. Alright, so there's my button. So I'm going to push this down, push the clip in there. Hear it click. There. Now I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Get the seat centered. Now when it comes forward, I want to make sure that this is tight. So bring it up to where it sits. Call your local firehouse, and the first responders are more than happy to help you put this in here. They're concerned with child safety too, so they will help you with this. If this didn't help you. So thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman, where we help you become more self-sufficient, even save coin for your treasure chest. Now if you dig what we're doing, hit that subscription button down below, and if you hit the ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. Thanks, and smooth sailing.